morning, and I would like to welcome our Honorable Secretary Sir, Honorable Ma'am Director, Principal, Vice Principal, teachers, non-teaching staff, and my dear friends. It is Monday, and you can smell the freshness of the week and enthusiasm filling this atmosphere. I am Abhilasha Sharma, and I would like to welcome you all in this morning special assembly of IT and Robotics Club with my co-anchor Agamjot Singh.
Good morning everyone. Myself Agamjot Singh from class 8th A, and let's start today's assembly by remembering God, whose blessing leads us through thick and thin.
सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। शुद्ध भाव से तेरा ध्यान लगाए हम, विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम। शुद्ध भाव से तेरा ध्यान लगाए हम, विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम। हाँ, विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम। तुम्हीं से है आगाज, तुम्हीं अंजाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। गुरुओं का सत्कार कभी ना भूले हम, इतना बने महान गगन को छू ले हम। गुरुओं का सत्कार कभी ना भूले हम, इतना बने महान गगन को छू ले हम। हाँ, इतना बने महान गगन को छू ले हम। तुम्हीं से है हर सुबह, तुम्हीं से शाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु।
Prayer purifies our mind and takes away negativity. Now, to express our commitment towards our nation, we will take pledge.
India is my country and all Indians are my brother and sister. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teacher and the elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my people and my country I pledge my devotion, and in their well-being and prosperity lies my happiness. Thank you.
Our pledge reminds us for our duties for our nation, people and society. So now let's see what's happening in the world, and now there will be news reading now.
The truth is our priority. I am Rinku on behalf of IT and Robotics clubs. You are tuning today's news and the headlines are: spend quality time with your kids, not with your phone or gadgets. Do social activities, laugh and be silly with your friends. Next will be the weather report of Rajasthan. Monday, 45 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius, sunny and very warm. Tuesday, 43 degrees Celsius to 29 degrees Celsius, sunny and hot. Wednesday, 46 degrees Celsius to 29 degrees Celsius, mostly cloud and hot. Thursday, 48 degrees Celsius to 29 degrees Celsius, blazing sunshine and hot. Friday, 48 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius, blazing sunshine and very hot. Saturday, 44 degrees Celsius to 31 degrees Celsius, hot with plenty of sun. Avoid sunshine, keep yourself and your kids safe. That's all for today. I am from TMIS News. Thank you and have a nice day.
Really, today's date is very much notable, and to make it more meaningful, we will listen to the thought of the day.
Hi, my name is Madhav Goyal. Today's thought is: technology is just a tool. It helps children working together, motivating them. The teachers are the most important.
I hope you will be remembering this thought and act accordingly. Just like we need to take the bath daily, we need daily dose of motivation. With the present scenario, we should learn how to decrease the screen time of the children.
Good morning. Smartphones, laptops, tablets, television. These gadgets were invented with the purpose of making our lives easier. But we started using it for other purposes. During the COVID times, the children were provided with smartphones, mobile phones with the intention that their education must not suffer. But was it used for the correct purpose? No. The children started using these smart gadgets for other purposes like playing games, watching videos on YouTube channels, which created a lot of trouble for all the parents. Moreover, now it has become only the mode of entertainment for these children. We as parents are busy in our day-to-day lives, and whenever a child comes to us that he is getting bored, what do? We just hand him over the TV remote or our mobile phones, saying that YouTube पे videos देख लो or watch your favorite cartoon on the Cartoon Network. Is it right? No, it isn't. We must give our attention and our time to our children. As per studies, there is a whooping increase of 7.5 hours of screen time in children. This is a major matter of concern and a topic to discuss. Today, I am here to discuss the ways to reduce the screen time for these young minds. But before moving on to the main topic, I would like to discuss why is it necessary to reduce the screen time. There are a lot of ill effects of a child working more on these screens, like attention problem. The child is not able to provide proper attention on his studies. Moreover, chronic back and neck problems, anxiety issues, and poor eye health. So let's discuss how to reduce screen time. Firstly, as parents, spend quality time every day with your child. I very well know that we all are busy in our day-to-day lives, whether we are working or not. But whenever a child comes to us for his attention or time, it is our duty to provide them with quality time. We must leave all our work and we must give them that attention. No doubt, the work can wait, but the child cannot. To move on, the other options that can be worked out to reduce the screen time of a child is to encourage your child into creative options that are available, like painting, poetry, art and craft. These activities actually enhance the child to think out of the box. The child thinks in a free manner to bring the creative side of his mind. To find more alternatives for the child, ask him to switch over from screen time to options like music, dance, coloring, clay modeling. These options can also be explored when a child gets bored and he is switching over to screen time like mobile phones or television. Ask the child to pay more attention to these activities. They can enhance their brain, their thinking abilities, at the same time can reduce the screen time as well. The next option that I would like to explore here is enhancing the skills of your child. Encourage him to learn musical instruments like tabla, piano, or maybe guitar. You can also encourage your child to dance on beautiful beats of music. Encourage the child to join any of the hobby classes that he wishes to. Some mothers can also work on encouraging their child into culinary skills. Encourage them to come into the kitchen and let them make whatever they wish to. This will not only make them come out of the boredom, but at the same time will make them learn something new. Reduce the screen time. It may take a while to reducing it, but at the same time it is not an impossible task. We all can work on it. At the same time, we can enhance a lot of qualities in our children by reducing the screen time. It may be difficult, but it is not an impossible task. Believe me, it's not an impossible task. Reducing the screen time will not only help him in the health benefits, but at the same time will inculcate a lot of skills in your child. Minor changes in lifestyle, behavior and habits can save our future. Our children are our future, and let's work together to save them from these electronic monsters. Thank you.
Birthday is the most important occasion for each individual. We will celebrate birthday of our school students. Let us wish them.
It's your birthday. Happy birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. It's a great day. That's what we say. Happy birthday to you.
The most respectable song for every citizen of our country is national anthem, and let's start it.
Jana Gana Mana Adinayak Jaya Hai Bharat Bhagya Vidhata.
part of our morning assembly for today. We thank you all for being here as an active participant. Definitely we will meet again with new ideas and thoughts. Till then, have a nice day to you all and thanks again.